While we are always down for a day full of adventure, some travel days call more for a slow-paced, stuff your face with as much street food as possible kind of day. So journey with us as we do exactly that. Starting our morning off at Glanta, creating custom rings was the perfect start to our slow day. We made an appointment a few days before, so we showed up and got started right away on our creations. Our jewelry turned out amazing, and we even got our wedding date engraved on the inside.
Dana and Japanese character Namasu. Namasu. Switch on. Banana, hijab, and stop. Color change. Change color. Stop. Then nice. Okay. Color change. Stop. Very nice. Good. Perfect. Okay. Stronger, a little stronger. Yeah, this is nice. 1, 2, 3. I'm moving.
Go like fold it there.
Big or small? Feels good. Good? Okay.
After Glanta, we made our way to Kura, the largest revolving sushi restaurant we've ever been to. But I wouldn't be me if I didn't also get a side of fries, and this is a great life lesson. Be you, no matter where you are in the world.
The bottom. You put your finger in the bottom.
Oh yeah, and
Drive for it and lift up the plate. I had to stop when I saw this fresh takoyaki being prepared. Street food in Japan is next level, and if you ever come, please don't miss out. You wanna try one?
No.
That one looks right.
Can you move?
Let's do this one.
That is not right. But you have to trust me.
Oh my gosh.
The best fortune.
Ooh, you become famous and peaceful. Okay. Okay. I told you, God's favorite. Okay, you're fortunate. Okay.